Welcome everybody. Today is the third lecture of the COVID-19 about fatality rate. This means ki death rate. What is the death rate from the COVID-19? Today we will take the knowledge about this and all ratio or related data as well. Today I will told you that was related from the China because this COVID-19 disease is started from the China. Due to this, today we will take the knowledge about the data of the fertility rate. This means the death rate of related data of China. Okay. First, that is the which persons is 80 or plus 80. Which persons age is 80 or plus 80. That's fertility rate, that's death rate is 15 to 80% of the affected person. This of the affected persons. Okay, 15 to 80% of the affected persons which age is 80 to plus 80. That's fertility rate, that's death rate is 15 to 18%. Okay, and which persons is 70 to 80 years. That's fertility rate, that's death rate is 8%. And which is the result? That means that age is less than 70 years. That's death rate is 2.3%. 2.3%. But one matter that is a very interesting, that clinical data which age is less than 15 years, which age is less than 50 years, that is 0% death rate. That's death rate is 0%, which age is less than 50 years. Okay, it is a very interesting point and remembering point, that which age is less than 15 years, that's death rate is, fertility rate is 0%. 0%. But in 81% case of the affected person, in 81% case, which person is affected, that is affected from the mild pneumonia, not more harmful. As you are listening, that COVID-19 person is affected from more disease, but not as. That is affected from the mild pneumonia. Okay, that is not more harm. Okay, but in 40% case, in 40% patient of COVID-19, that is affected from the painful breathing, hemoglobin saturation rate relatively less, and due to this, breathing rate increases, and you know that normal breathing rate is 12 to 16 times per minute, but due to hemoglobin saturation rate relatively decreases, breathing rate increases from 12 to 60 times per minute to 30 times per minute. Okay, 30 times per minute. This means from the affected people, as which much, how much affected people from the coronavirus, of that in the 81%, not more harm, that is affected from the mild pneumonia. Okay, that is not more harm. But in 14% of that affected COVID-19 patient, That's in the 40% cases, painful breathing. Hemoglobin saturation rate relatively decreases. Due to this, breathing rate increases from 12 to 16 to 30 times per minute. Okay, but in remaining 5%, that's people is of that patient that is dead, and that this means of that person's death is happened. Okay, from the COVID-19. This is the ratio. This is the rate of the affected people and death rate. Okay, only 5%. Only 5% patient death happen from the COVID-19. In the 40% case, painful breathing, hemoglobin saturation rate relatively decreases. Due to this, breathing rate increases at 30 times per minute. Normal breathing rate 12 to 16 times, and increases in COVID-19 to goes 30 times per minute. And in 81% case, which people is affected, in that mild pneumonia is happening. That is not more hard. Okay.